Hi everyone, welcome to this video about non-woven fruit protection bags. Non-woven fruit protection bags are a type of bag that is made of special fabric that helps to protect fruit from a variety of pests and diseases. This fabric is typically made of blend of polypropylene and polyester fibers, and it is designed to allow air and water to pass through while preventing pests and diseases from getting to fruit. Non-woven fruit protection bags are used for a variety of fruits including grapes, apples, pears, peaches, plums, apricots, cherries, and berries. How do non-woven fruit protection bags work? Non-woven fruit protection bags work by creating a barrier between fruits and the elements. This barrier helps to protect the fruits from pests, diseases, and other environmental hazards. The bags also helps to create a more favorable environment for a fruit to grow and ripen. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of using non-woven fruit protection bags. There are many benefits to using non-woven fruit protection bags, including reduced pesticide use. Non-woven fruit protection bags can help to reduce pesticides used by protecting fruits from pests and diseases without the use of chemicals. Improved fruit quality. Non-woven fruit protection bags can help to improve fruit quality by protecting fruit from damages caused by pests, diseases, and other environmental hazards. Increase yields. Non-woven fruit protection bags can help to increase fruit yield by creating a more favorable environment for the fruit to grow and ripen. Extended shelf life. Non-woven fruit protection bag can help to extend the shelf life of fruit by protecting it from spoilages. Now let's talk about how to use non-woven fruit protection bags. Non-woven fruit protection bags are very easy to use. Simply place the bags over the fruit cluster or individual fruit and tie it closed. The bags can be used throughout the growing season from fruit set to harvest. Now let's go through the conclusion. Non-woven fruit protection bags are a versatile and effective way to protect fruit from pests, diseases, and other environmental hazards. They can help to reduce pesticide use, improve fruit quality, increase yield, and extend the shelf life of fruit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.